Welcome back to my channel. My name is Corrie Johnson. It's my birthday. Hey, go shawty. It's your birthday. It's my birthday, guys, and this is a get ready with me birthday look, and I am super excited and I'm so thankful to God for giving me life, and then make me add additional years because I'm going to spend more years on earth. What do you think till Jesus comes? Thank you, Jesus. I'm super excited. I hope you're as excited as I am. At least you're excited for me, right? So it's my birthday glam and I decided to give you guys this look. This is a super gorgeous look. I'm kind of sweaty because I'm so excited in here. I hope you'll be able to create this look as well. Thank you so much. So I'm using my Eversheen pencil in brown. It is color P602. So I'll be using Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Coconut 355 for my brows. And I'll also be using the Hello Girl Concealer in Warm Honey. Next, I'm going to tap my mascara wand on my foundation and just brush it on my brows just to give it that, light brown finish. This helps it to look very soft. So, here we go. You can also use a brow gel as well, if you wish. So first, I'm going to be using this brown as my transition color. From the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I absolutely love their eyeshadow pigmentation. It's really gorgeous. It is easy to apply and it's very smooth. And then I'll be taking this pink. It is like a fuchsia pink color. Next is my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder. I'm using it for my highlights. I'll be going back to this brown, just to deepen this area the more. And then next, I'll be cutting my crease halfway through. Sometimes I like to have a mirror closer so that I can really see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to wait for it to get dry a bit and then move into the eyeshadow properly. So I'm using my Juvia's Place palette, the Magic palette. And first I'll be applying this color. So I switched to a precision brush so that I can get into the corners of the cut crease. Next, I'm using this deep blue for my contour. It is very deep, guys. So I'm using this angle brush from Elf Cosmetics. And I'm just tapping it. So I'm just adding more blue. I'm just blending out edges some more. Add a bit more blue at the outer corner. So I'm going to be adding a bit of orange right here on my transition color. The pink isn't really giving me life as I expected, so I'm adding orange. So I'll be using my pencil by Mabrook. It is very dark. I'm using it for my under eye. And then I'll be lining my eyes in my LA color in black. Next is my concealer as usual. Just want to make sure that you blend, 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 blend. My nose, chin, pupil bow, and right here. And then next is my Sacha Butter Cosmetic powder. Next is my Maybelline Super Stay Powder. It is very dark. It is a Java 375. Next is my Melanin Powder in Warm 109. Now we're using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's absolutely gorgeous. Ooh. Zara Cosmetics mascara. So I'll be using my Zara Cosmetics lip liner in Cupertino. So I'll be using this Milani lipstick called Amor Matte. It is Auti Brilliant. Next is this Zara lipstick in Blondie.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go.